Hey there! Alright. Well, I was already wet to begin with, so that didn't really matter. What's up, buddy? Just kind of chilling there, playing, aren't you? Well, it's good to see you this morning. Aw. Very awesome and amazing animals, aren't they? Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey guys, Tampa J here. And I'm starting my day out at SeaWorld, Orlando. What else am I gonna do today? I'm not sure. I'm just kind of going with the flow here. But I know I'm gonna head over to Disney Springs later. But come along with me. Let's have a good time. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. So as you might already have noticed, the weather's a little upside down here at SeaWorld today. But that's not stopping people from coming inside. So I think I might go ride that thing. But I'm on my way there. So I honestly didn't know the name of it until I walked up Tower Island. Well, let's check it out. $3. Because I am an annual pass member, I get to ride the tower for free. So there's another benefit for being a Busch Gardens SeaWorld annual pass member. Well, it's not very much to become an annual pass member. For both parks, it was about 18 bucks a month. And so what I did was I discontinued my Amazon Prime account. That was like 12 bucks a month. And then I had like a CBS app that was like 6 bucks a month. So it added up. I saved some money. Alrighty, so I've entered the tower capsule. And it's a lot different than I expected. It's very tight in here, very narrow. But there's not a lot of people riding this morning so far, so I think we're gonna have a little bit of length. More room. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, cool. Wow, view's great already. And it looks like you spin as you travel up along the tower. That way you get a 360 degree view
as you take your ride up to a
of SeaWorld. Check out the pink flamingos over there.
We thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld.
Let's see what else we can see.
Might make your day even more enjoyable.
There's the water arena out there.
For the entire ride. And no
That's where I parked way out there in front of the Renaissance building. Wow, it's a great view already. Well, I'll just keep rolling the camera.
Did you know that
the crosswalk right there?
And rehabilitated
Go.
Rescue this weekend on ABC.
Wow. And over there you can see Aquatica. Over there is downtown Orlando.
To Atlantis.
There's the sea lion.
Circle above you and schools
there's
of
the sea
fish
lion
swim around your feet.
right there. Check out the coaster going up right there. Doing the loop-de-loo. Wow. And we're back to the flamingos again. And it looks like there's a new water boat ride going in right there.
We're just
like I think it's like a river rapids ride.
You can see for miles
and oh, you can see the killer whales right there. See if I can zoom in.
Keep an eye open for the lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove,
wow.
where you can snorkel
and if you
with
look out
rays
that
and
way, I
exotic
believe.
fish. Relax.
I think Disney property's out this way.
Even swim alongside
It's a little cloudy and not so clear. I'll have to come back on a clear day and do this thing again for you. But there's a 360 degree tour of SeaWorld from above.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see
that is a long way down.
Dolphins. Visit the information
That's right where I just walked.
To see how you can experience
There's the front
Discovery
entrance
Cove
right there.
and Aquatica.
Whoop, hold on. Right there. Right there, that's where I walked. And we are... home. So if I had to pay $3 to ride it again, I most definitely would. It's well worth the $3, folks. Even if you don't have a membership here, it's well worth it. That was a good ride. Good old gift land here. Best prices and best quality gifts. I've seen this many of times over in this neck of the woods. I'm trying to find something to eat. Something fast, something cheap. But my next destination is Disney Springs. Taco Bell, that's right. You can never go wrong. $1 goes a long way at Taco Bell. Hey, check out this bush. It's in the shape of a bell. Huh, cool. I got the box, my friends. All right, a lot of goodness in here. And some awesome Diablo sauce. Can't dare me to do anything. That's right, Diablo. Well, I made it to Disney Springs, and it's only 9 miles from SeaWorld. Not a bad drive at all. So I'm headed to the top of the Coca-Cola building. Gonna catch up with some friends. Much ahead, my friends. Much ahead.
This thing is starting
Ryan, his kid's actually about the same age as, well, he's a little bit.
That's what everyone's here for, the board.
The pork meetup. And only one came.
It's a pork meetup.